Unboxing the Titan Heavyweight Iron, a powerhouse of durability, power and precision. Inside the box, find the Titan Iron warranty card and user manual, all set to elevate your ironing experience. Built with heavy-duty construction, this iron ensures stability and retains heat for smooth and effective ironing. With 1100 watts of power, it heats up quickly, tackling tough wrinkles on any fabric type. The non-stick sole plate glides effortlessly over fabrics, providing even heat distribution for a flawless finish. Ergonomically designed for comfortable, fatigue-free use, this iron offers maximum control with a lightweight feel. Safety is key with an automatic switch-on function ensuring peace of mind while you iron. Versatile temperature settings allow for optimal care, adjusting to delicate skills or heavy cotton with ease. The Titan Heavyweight Iron, your go-to for professional wrinkle-free results at home.